Okay, so for this course, this is Personal Finance Section A, and I will be showing you around our Google Classroom and showing you how to navigate the assignments and some of the resources that I've already uploaded for you guys to look at, and just kind of generally going over the first two assignments for this week. First, we'll take a look at what we have on this opening page here, and just a little introduction there. All of our assignments will be due at 11:59 on Sundays, and typically two assignments per week, but that could change with any given week, just depending on how I feel we're progressing with this course. And to find your assignments, you're going to go to classwork, and you'll see the first two assignments that I have posted here are the envelope system and the retirement assignment. The envelope system, essentially, you're going to go to the document that I've linked here and just come up with at least 5 basic categories. I know you guys aren't going to have a ton of spending categories at your age, but so come up with at least 5 and actually get some envelopes and budget that money out so you can tell how effective this system is. And then the retirement assignment, essentially what I want you guys to do is look at what you plan on doing in your future career, how much you could plan to make, and how much you might be looking at in student debt. All of this will heavily factor into your retirement plans, believe it or not. And the earlier you start saving, the more likely you're going to be able to retire at 65 or possibly before. A couple other things that I've added. I added some infographics here. Just a few on, trying to put the retirement savings into perspective, and just a few tips for the first month of budgeting. And then if you guys have any questions regarding the course or the first assignments, I will be on the Google Meet for the classroom next Wednesday from 3 to 4. If that does not work, let me know, and we can always find a different time to meet and discuss your concerns. Thank you.